Hola, and welcome to Andalusia.
Yes, Andalusia. Leave behind the misconceptions of alcohol-fueled brick towns of Malaga and Marbella, and into the mountains we go. Starting on the outskirts of Malaga, we head to Colmenar on the literal looping A7000, before meandering westward, all building up to the Piste de Resistance, the 20-kilometre run back to Malaga on the hidden gem of a switchback road. As with my mental rental ride in India, the improv chest cam and mic strapped to the collar means some dodgy quality at the best of times, but the day and the riding more than make it worth sharing, especially the mean fighting machine we have gracing our presence today.
Today's wheels being the Peugeot Tweets 125 with a seat that I haven't put down fully. But a rented vehicle and Ryanair's rather stingy carry-on baggage allowance does mean the rental of a helmet as well. So if I just flip the camera around, there we go. Good lord, the return of the babyface police force is here. With this visor, it does look like I'm the sort of policeman who would go to a hairdresser's in winter to stop a riot happening. Yeah, it's not a good look. However, if I just turn the camera back to... there we go. It does suit my image quite well of going to Malaga, which is usually a lads sort of destination, and only going to the old city with the castles, cathedrals and so on. But to further my absolute lads of a holiday I've got going here, time to leave the city of Malaga behind and head to the mountains. Looking beforehand on Google Maps at the A7000, i.e. the road we're about to go on, there are certainly a few twists and turns that are of interest. A couple of 360-degree turns, sharp hairpins. Yeah, let's go. Oh, haven't ridden CVT in a while. Come on! Oh, here we go, we're climbing now. Oh, here we go. So there's the entrance, and on that hill there, where there's a little flat bit above the trees, that's the old bit of the road. We're doing a full loop-de-loop here. Oh dear, mirror glass in the tunnel, can't see much. There we go. So there we go, we're just down there. Brilliant! Even better, there's another one coming up somewhere. Woohoo! Ooh. There are also a bit of a big bump on this. Ah, it's been far too long since the last roller scooter. CVT, small wheels. No engine braking. Oh dear, shouldn't have rolled off, lost all the go. Come on! Whoa, yes, mountaintop views. And a twisty road. This is worse, my first time driving on the right hand side of the road. Well, it's quite easy to do so when there's nothing else around you. For the couple of days I've been out here, even in the city, there's been loads and loads of enduro and dual sport off-roady bikes, most of which with a load of dirt on. You can see why. There's a little jut-off path there, there's a load in that little valley down there, and this road I'm taking now, it runs parallel with another dirt track road too. Oh, cork trees! And of course I've tried the local sweet wine while I've been here. Don't want much of them, quite syrupy, but still pretty good. Now this is like a viewpoint. Ooh, this weren't made for going off-roading. Silence. Got the Spanish RT club going by. Lovely. Should we go for a quick walk around the specs of this bike? It is the Peugeot Tweet 125 4-stroke single cylinder. It is the cheapest option available in the rental shop, and despite this it has disc brakes, front and rear, electric start as well as a kick start, speedo that goes up to 70 miles an hour. It's got your glove box, under seat storage, It's got tyres that come with air in them, and these ones are the Dunlop Scoot Smart. This technology is directly derived from Moto 3. Well, no, it's not actually, it's probably the cheapest Dunlop they have. But still, yeah, they are the non-silica plastic version, but still, seems to be working. Fingers crossed. And yeah, excellent. To as much as I'm taking the piss, it is very fun. Oh, should not have touched the tyres. Ah well. Let's keep going. Right, let's give this kickstart a go, see what happens. Easy. Does it have ABS? Nope. Here we go. Follow me now. Back in civilization now. Ride on the right. Ah, here we go. Feels pretty town centre-ish to me. Let's have a look around and see what we got. Righty-ho, Colomina bar attended to, filled up at a Repsol garage. Oh, seeing as the only time I've seen that before was on the side of a Honda Grand Prix bike, pretty cool. Now, onwards to town names I probably can't remember or pronounce, so therefore they're listed here. On the right, yes! Oh, it feels windy. Roundabout, all the way around, which is great for me because I love left-handers. Look! Up the hill! The question is, much like my India rental, can I ride it from the back seat? And, oh yeah, quite easily. I've not even got my arms stripped for it. Speed bump. No, don't try and jump it. You can jump him. Oh, that valley. It's beautiful. I have no engine braking, remember? Ah, this is steep. This is really steep. Oh, we're picking up speed now. Those big mountains in front of us. Probably can't see them, but there's some behind the big hill in front. That's where the next road will be in a couple of miles after a turn off. Let's go. Here for a picture or something. Oh, big jump! Oh yes, there's Malaga coast right in the distance. That's the port I think I can see. So many hills, so many dirt tracks, the motorway running through the middle, and this gorgeous road clinging to the side of this hill. Sue Perkins. Let's go! Beautiful, long, sweeping bends. Perfect road for the wee Peugeot. Oh, wind picking up. Left, right, there isn't a straight section here. There's hardly anyone else on this road. It's brilliant! It's brilliant. This is truly brilliant. And also on a wanged about rented Peugeot scooter one to die. This really is just... This truly is just fantastic. And that as well! It's... What a way to spend the day. There's a big rock face on the inside as well. Oh, if there was a forward-facing camera looking at my face, it would just be a still picture of the grin I have. The banking as well. And this is the bit of the road that runs alongside the motorway. So you could blast through here if you need to get somewhere. You know, some days you might need that. But then again, the days that you don't, what an alternative choice of road you have to go on. Oh, both sides we've got the views. judging by the hills in front of us, we've reached the peak at least, and now it's run downhill to the sea. But it's going to be no view. Try not to stop every 5 minutes, but it's hard to when you've got this in front of you, isn't it? Oh, the banking on this corner is tremendous. Oh, we're going down there. And round here. This is definitely the twistiest bit of the day by far. Looks like we're getting back into civilization now. Either way, what a fantabulous day out. How far have we been? By the time I get back, it'll be over 100 kilometres, all on roads that haven't been straighter for more than 100 metres. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Oh. Do we make noise in the tunnel? Oh, we do actually. That is a really echoey tunnel. Nice! Well, there we go. As we descend into the city of Malaga, I'm going to keep riding these city roads till they stop. But I'll sign off here because I'm probably low on battery power, and for this video in terms of audio and video, low on quality as well. Ding! All in all, thank you very much from a sunny Spain and an amazing Andalusia, and until next time as we cross this dam, thank you and goodbye.